Babur named after the first Mughal emperor Zahir-ud-Din Babur, citation needed, also designated HATF-7, is a short-range turbojet-powered subsonic cruise missile that can be launched from land or mobile underwater submarine platforms. The missile was first tested in 2005 and is widely believed to have entered service with the Pakistan Army in 2010. Babur Cruise Missile, HATF-7. Babur Cruise Missile deployed at a show in 2006. Type medium-range subsonic cruise missile place of origin Pakistan Service Historian Service Babur I-2010P. Resent used by Babur I, Babur II. Army Strategic Forces Command, ASFC. Babur III. Naval Strategic Forces Command, NSFC. Production History Manufacturer National Defense Complex, NDC. Specifications Miss 1500 kg length 6.2 meters 1, diameter 0.52 m warhead 450 to 500 kg conventional or nuclear engine turbofan. Solid fuel rocket booster during launch propellant solid fuel booster rocket. Liquid fuel, jet engine. Operational, range, Babur I, 700 kilometers. Babur II, 750 kilometers. Babur III, 450 km speed 880 kilometers per hour or 550 miles per hour, Mach 0.8, citation needed. Guidance. System. INS, TERCOM, DSMAC, GPS, GLONASS. Launch. Platform. Transporter Erector Launcher TEL. Underwater Mobile Platform.